how you can start earning with Hostinger referral program. So Hostinger has a program that lets you earn commission every time someone signs up through your link. Here is how you can get started. First, you need a Hostinger account. Once you are logged in, go to hPanel and look for the referral program section. So as you can see here, I'm in hpanel.hostinger.com, and at the top is refer and earn up to some amount of money. So simply click this option, and there you will get your unique referral link. So this is the referral code, referral link, and you can copy it and share it wherever you want. You can also customize this link. So click here on edit and, for example, add your name here. So it's gonna be visible in that referral code. Then click save changes. And now you can share it wherever you want: Instagram, YouTube description, blogs, etc. When someone clicks your link and buys a Hostinger plan, you will earn a commission. The exact amount depends on the plan they buy, but Hostinger pays up to 40% commission per sale. Also, your friend gets 20% discount too. If you click My Earnings, you can track your commissions payout, your total referrals, etc. There is a minimal threshold until you get paid, and you can withdraw your earnings through the PayPal or bank transfer. So it's very easy to use. Just copy this link and put it in the video description. Under this video is my referral code, so if you buy something from this link, I'm gonna get 20% or something commission and you will get a discount. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.